Define static. Static keyword in Java will decide location of component memory in class or object. So, based on static keyword, the programming components are categorized into two types: static programming components, non-static programming components. Static programming components. The programming components which are declared with static keyword are known as static programming components or class programming components. Static programming components will get memory within the class and can be accessed with class name. So non-static programming components. The programming components which are declared without static keyword are known as non-static programming component. These non-static programming components will get memory within the object and can be accessed with object name. Based on static keyword, variables are categorized into two types: static variable and non-static variables. The variables which are declared with static keyword are known as static variables or class variables. These static variables will get memory within the class while class loading and can be accessed with class name. Non-static variables. The variables which are declared without static keyword are known as non-static variables. Non-static variables are categorized into two types: instance variable, local variables. Instance variables. The non-static variables which are declared outside the methods are known as instance variable or object variables. These instance variable will get the memory within the object while object creation process and can be accessed with object name. Local variable. The non-static variable which are declared inside the methods are known as local variables or method variable. These local variable will get the memory within the method while method execution and can be accessed directly inside the methods. So there is no concept of static local variable in Java, which means we cannot declare local variables as static. There is no concept of global variable in Java, which means we cannot declare variable outside the class. Thank you for watching.